Hi, I'm Sami here, teaching in LSBF Singapore. I currently teach the financial reporting papers and the financial management papers at LSBF Singapore. And I've been doing this for the last 4 years. And we welcome the change by ACCA to 4 exam sittings, starting effective 2016. With the change to the 4 exam sittings, at LSBF we want to make studying as productive as possible for the students. Therefore, in an effort to continuously support our students to make learning convenient, hard copy study materials will be replaced by electronic books, which can be downloaded at any time, anywhere. This is for your convenience as a student. You can refer to it at any time you want. However, our revision kits and lecture notes will still be in hard copy. You can bring them along to your classes and use them in classes as you normally do. Only the study text will be in electronic form, right? And if you still wish to have a complete set of printed study manual, you will be able to purchase it from the program management team at any time.